Microflex Xceed glove, referred to in some regions as the Microflex 93833 glove, is the ideal glove for lab workers, industrial workers, or those working in the food industry. This unique glove features an advanced nitrile formulation that delivers increased tactile sensitivity. It's ergonomically designed to reduce hand fatigue, helping workers boost productivity while exerting less muscle effort. And while the Microflex Xceed or 93833 is more comfortable and lighter weight than most other disposable gloves, it's 60% stronger than leading nitrile brands and up to 90% stronger than leading latex brands. Contact us today for more information and a free sample at ansell.com.